Dude, wait! Did you take me for... we're just getting one shot. Looks like I can't chat. I am very, very sorry. But for now, let's catch these guys. I know what he's planning. All he's planning is to... Oh, I lost my shield. Oh, no. There's inmates. They're not inmates. Yeah, they must be here somewhere. Waiting for an ambush or something. Maybe more worse. Oh, hi. Oh! He tasered me. How did that happen? Where's that dude? You're just waiting us for what? Dude, why on earth are they waiting for us? We don't have debts to pay, okay? We're looking backward, forward, and sideward. I see no signs of it. Yes. Oh. Ah! She's a good shooter. And also a good hider. She doesn't want to go back. I bet she just wanted to be a prisoner instead, so she will feel once she got killed, or maybe even... Boom, boom. Where is she? I think she's just waiting. I swear, she hide behind this tree. Maybe go down. Either way. Mr. Officer Friendly, are you here? Nope, he is not Mr. Officer Friendly. She is Mrs. But she is not Rick Grimes. Oh, looks like there is police. There is police. Ha! You can't taser me in a car. Goodbye. Oh. Oh! Oh! Run! 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 Oh! She died. She died. She died. I got key cards. I got key cards. Run. 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 She's hiding. She knows where we hide. So for now, I will hide between cars. Maybe houses. Oh. Okay. So, for now, we will go this way. And I won't take revenge at first. We'll go to this house. And house. And house. And house. I think there's some house now, so, you know. Oh, maybe she's, you know. I need to get to full health before attacking. Criminals are right over there, so you know they're just new escapees. So, and also that's how I know they are new escapees because maybe not. I'm going toward the base, and I wish nobody, not even a single bullet is waiting for me there. Or maybe tasers. Tasers would be more worse. They haven't died yet. You only change clothes once you die. So we will go inside. We will run, crawl, and run. They don't see us coming. They only see us coming. safe. Oh, looks like she's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's the one. She's the officer that I killed earlier. So, she's gonna take revenge on me because I killed her. And she was fired and went to jail. I'm sorry, Mrs. Officer. But you don't look like that. You're friendly. Oh, somebody. Bro, just leave me alone. Bro, don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. Thanks for the ride. It was nice. Boom. Hi. It's time to go. It's time to go. We need to walk. Yeah, I won't be even shot. Oh, one shot already? Nice. I didn't kill him. Oh, what's that? Yeah, prisoner. I tried to kill. Oh, what's... She's cheating. An actual cheater. That's why she chose to stay inmate. So she can kill me still. Thinking that we are friends. I will wait up for her. I'm good at driving. I will go that way because I know she is there. It's short. Wow! Inmates! All inmates shall be killed. Never mind. Cannot even get up. She's not here. She's not here. Then where is she? Oh, looks like she became... Did she die? Did he die? No, he's there. No. I'm tasered! Run! No!